How to enable key moments on YouTube video. To enable key moments on your YouTube video, you simply have to launch the YouTube Studio on your desktop browser. Now, once you open it, you simply have to go ahead and click the pencil icon on your video from the Content tab. Then go to the description box, and now you simply have to write out your table of contents. You must strictly follow these platform rules. First of all, the first timestamp in your list must start exactly at 0 minutes and 0 seconds, and you must at least have 3 distinct key moments in total, and each individual segment also must be at least 10 seconds long. Now you simply have to text or format your text cleanly using single line breaks and standard colons. Want to do this, you simply have to tap the save button, and there you go. This is how you can enable key moments on YouTube. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.